Between an idea and a working system is chaos. You don't lack ideas, but a reliable way to turn ideas into real systems. Architect starts with intent. Describe what you want to build. Architect enters plan mode. It analyzes requirements, designs user flows, creates a complete system blueprint. Review the plan, edit it, approve it, push to agents. Architect creates specialized agents, each with a role, goal, and locked prompt. Tools and data sources connected automatically. It builds the agents and the application. Front end, back end, real-time preview, deploy with one click. From idea to plan to agents to production app. Architect by Lizer. Build AI that works